Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change email in Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change email in Sweatcoin, all you need to do is simply tap open your Sweatcoin app. So once you have opened your Sweatcoin app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon. Then you will be redirected to this page. Simply tap on the pencil-like icon and then you will have to now type in your new email address in the email address section. So once you have typed in a new email address that you want to change your old one from, you need to tap on save changes. After you do so, you can simply refresh your profile page and you can see that your email ID on Sweatcoin has been changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.